Hello everyone. In this video, we shall discuss question number 6 of exercise 3.1. If in two circles, arcs of the same length subtend angles 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center, find the ratio of their radii. So let's see what is given here. Two circles are given. Let's say these are the two circles. Arcs of the same length. That means the arcs formed are same length. Let's say this is my arc here, one arc, and the other one is here, two arcs. And these two arcs are of the same length. So let's say this is L, so this is also L. Okay. Tens angle 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center. So that means, let's say this is 60 degrees here. It's forming 60 degrees angle, and here it's forming 75 degrees angle. Okay, so the arc length is same, L, and the angle at the center is different. Here it's 60 degrees, whereas here it's 75 degrees. Okay, find the ratio of their radii. Now the radius is not given, so let's say this is my R1 and this is my R2. Okay, let's say this is circle number 1, this is circle number 2, and yeah, that's it. Now we need to find the ratio of the radii. That means we are supposed to find R1 to R2, or I can say R1 by R2. This ratio we need to find out. So what we can do is, the angle is given, the arc length is same, and the radii is not given, right? So let's just write for circle 1, theta 1. Let's label it as theta 1 is 60 degrees, and I convert this into radians because theta should always be in radians when we are using the formula theta equals to L by R. So we are going to use this formula here. So I'll just convert this into radians. So that's pi by 3 radian, and R is R1, and my arc length is L, right? And for this circle here, my theta 2 is 75 degrees. So I'll just convert this to radians, and this is 15 times 5, 15 ones are 15, 30, 15 twos are, that's 5 pi by 12 is my angle subtended here. R equals to R2, and the arc length is L. So then if I use this formula here, if I want to find R1 would be equal to L by theta 1, and here R2 would be equal to L by theta 2, right? L is as L, and theta 1 is pi by 3, so pi divided by 3, and here L is given as L, pi by 12, so 5 pi by 12. So I can rewrite this as 3L by pi, and this one I can write as 12L by 5 pi. So this is my R1 and this is my R2, and I'll just find the ratio of these two. Okay, so to find the ratio, what I would do is R1 to R2, I rewrite it as R1 by R2, and I just substitute these values. Okay, so it's 3L by pi, the whole thing divided by 12L by 5 pi. Okay, now in the numerator and denominator we see that it's in the fraction form, right? So this would get multiplied by this, and this would get multiplied by this. So this would be like 3L by pi times 5 pi by 12L. If you're getting confused how we did this, you can also think of it like this. See, I'll just show you here. 3L by pi divided by 12L by 5 pi. Okay, and you can just treat it as a fraction. Flip the change this division sign to multiplication sign and flip this second fraction. So you would get the same thing. So that's 12L here. Okay, the same thing you've got. And then we'll just cancel out whatever is common. This is common. This is common. 3 times 1, 3 times 4. So we got 5 by 4. Right? So the ratio R1 to R2 is 5 to 4. This is the solution. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.